Hi, Cracky Angel Celeste here from Angel Rose Designs here on YouTube. Today I'm here with my December daily for pages 27 to 29. So let's get started here. So we're going to do 27. As y'all can see, it's just turned into a big thing here. Now, I'm going to be using some from here, and then I have some stuff on the side of me. So, we'll see how it goes as we go along. So, right now, I want to put a clear pocket on here. So, let me... She does it to me. She enables me all the time. Okay. Let me glue this in here. And we're going to let that part dry while we do some other things. Oh, wait. This is not in all the way. Hang on a second while I push this all the way in and re-glue it all. And I just do that, and it spreads the glue out. So, well, there we go. Okay, I gotta clip this so it'll stay at the edge. There. That way I can glue the edges the way I want them to be glued. And let it dry before we stick it in. So now, this is gonna go here, like so, but I want something in the background. What can we put in the background? What about a little bit of book paper here? Numbers right there. Right here. So I'm gonna put this to the side, pull out my paper trimmer, and get this all said and done, like so. And then this is gonna sit just like this. I want to trim off this also. So what I'm gonna do is mark my page right here, and there's some hanging off the edge here. So it's gonna come this way, and I'm gonna trim a little off the bottom. So I want this blue piece here off. And then I'm going to trim this piece off. And then keep that part. And then trim a little bit off the bottom. Okay. So let's move this. Can't fit that there. It'll be in the way. So we got this like that. This is going to go right on top here. So I'm going to glue this in. Like this. And then we're going to take this, put our glue here, like so, and just stick that on to here and hold it in for a bit. Now we're doing pages 27 to 29.